Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Happy Wednesday to each and every one of you. So guys, I am doing something a little different. I am going to give you a bonus DIY first, and then later on, between now and Sunday, I will be uploading my new craft to the channel. So I've had many people to request a stand or a tray to be done on my channel. And so I am showing these people, they know who they are, on how you can create a tray using Dollar Tree products. So what I'm doing is basically I've taken a cutting board that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, some of those wood cubes that you can also purchase from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to add the cubes in one cube in each corner and one in the center of this cutting board. And I'm using my dowel rod just as a ruler, just to make sure that everything is properly aligned. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Joy, your chief crafter. And if you are a returning subscriber, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I pray that each and every one of you, my subscribers, new and returning, I pray that you all are having a great week thus far, and that the remainder of the week is blessed. And now I decided to add some faux handles to this piece. And so I'm taking some of that jute twine. This is the thicker jute twine that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree. And I am just making handles, one to go on each side. I've cut it down to the proper height that I wanted my handles, and I am using glue to affix this to the sides. But I will encourage you to put a tack or a nail on the side of these handles. That way you can ensure that if you accidentally pick it up using the handles, it won't fall apart on you. And I actually used sort of like a brad nail on mine. I didn't show you that in this video, but yeah, I just, just hit it with a brad nailer and just little small nails go on the sides. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you anytime I upload anything to my channel. And as you can see, I am now just dry brushing some of that linen white chalk paint by Rust-Oleum on the top of this piece. I did not want a full coverage. I did want some of that natural wood from the cutting board to show through. So this provides it more of a distressed look. So this is more of a rustic cutting board or tray. And as you can see, I'm just making sure that the sides are glued down. And now I'm burning my rope. You all know that I like to burn the frays on my rope because one, it gives it a darker tint or hue to the rope, and I like that look a little better. I don't like all the frays. It's just not organized to me. Some people like that look. I just don't. So as you can see, I am applying or brushing over the bottom with that paint as well. And that's it, guys. And this tray cost me about $2.75 to make. Yeah. And here it is, just styled with the succulent that I made with the Valentine's Day decor. Guys, I really want to thank you for your support of my channel, and I pray that you all join me between now and this weekend. Just make sure you have your notifications bell set for my upcoming new craft DIY. And until the next DIY, guys, be blessed. Bye.